Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to open File Explorer in this PC on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To open File Explorer in this PC in Windows 10 computer, open the File Explorer and look, by default the File Explorer is opening in quick access, and I want to open the File Explorer in this PC. Okay, now go to View tab, click on Options, in folder options, click on General and open File Explorer 2, and by default quick access is selected. Just click the drop down here and select this PC. Now click on Apply and then click OK. Close the File Explorer, open File Explorer again, and look, now File Explorer is opening in this PC. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.